This espresso butter is sure to kick your morning into high gear. It only takes a few ingredients and it comes together so quickly. Let me show you how to make it.
Into a bowl, add 150 grams, 2/3 a cup of butter that's been slightly but not completely melted. Give that a whisk until it looks really creamy and smooth. To this, add about 1 shot, 30 milliliters, or just over 1.5 tablespoons of espresso. Add in 1 teaspoon, 4 grams of vanilla extract, and 1/4 teaspoon, 1 gram of fine salt. If you're using unsalted butter, you can add a little bit more salt to boost the flavor. It will look really split and separated, but once we add in the powdered sugar, it will all smooth out and come together. In goes 5 tablespoons, 40 grams of sifted powdered or icing sugar. Continue whisking this until it looks really smooth and creamy. Give it a taste and adjust your salt or sugar levels to your preference.
My favorite way to eat this is on a slice of toasted sourdough bread with some bananas on top and a sprinkle of vanilla salt. But it also goes great with banana bread, especially with chocolate chips. You have to try my air fryer banana bread, with oven instructions too. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button and make sure to subscribe because I come out with a new video every week. See you next time.